The door closes with a flat, mechanical finality, and you realize immediately that nothing here is designed for comfort or explanation. The air is cold, held at a steady 18 degrees, dry enough to pull moisture from your throat, and the fluorescent light above hums without pause, a constant reminder that time here is measured, not felt. You stand in a space 8 steps wide, 3 steps deep, surrounded by steel and concrete that absorb sound instead of reflecting it. Silence isn't empty, it's controlled. By O5, the first count conditions you. Stand facing the door, hands visible, no delay. No one explains this. You learn by watching and by understanding that mistakes are corrected quickly, often without guards. Days collapse into routine. 0530 meals, 11 a.m. chow, 2100 final count, repeating until time loses distinction. You begin to see the hierarchy in movement alone. Who steps aside, who doesn't, who speaks, and who is listened to. After months, you're no longer tested for small errors. Instead, you're expected to maintain balance, to recognize tension before it breaks. Responsibility increases quietly, pulling you into actions you once avoided. Debts are tracked precisely, interactions calculated, and creative compliance becomes survival, following rules while understanding the unwritten ones that matter more. Outside connections fade, conversations shorten, names blur, and eventually memory becomes inefficient. Then tension builds, as it always does, from something small, a glance, a misplaced word, and when it breaks, you understand there is no neutral ground. You act because not acting marks you. It ends quickly, always quickly, and the system absorbs it without acknowledgement. Years pass this way until the realization forms. You are not part of this place, only a component within it. If you disappear, nothing changes. When release finally comes, it is procedural, quiet, and without meaning. The door opens and the world outside feels unstructured, almost unstable, while behind you the system continues unchanged. Count at 05, silence enforced, another person standing where you once stood, learning the same rules without being told.